hear the helicopters in my head, but I can't tell where they're coming from. I hear the birds. I know they're up there, watching me, just like the black helicopters. But I gotta ask myself, why? What do they want with me? Is it 'cause I found Jesus? Is it because I like soliciting? Is it 'cause I panhandle down on the corner of Main and 4th? Try to make me a couple extra bucks so I can get a pack of smokes, maybe some Roman noodles, $1 taco if I'm hungry, a $4 porno mag if I'm a different kind of hungry. Goddamn millennials. They're lazy. They don't want to work. They're all up in my lunchroom, messing up my microwave. Microwaving fish. Have the whole lunchroom stinking up. Goddamn millennials. I got my lunchbox and I proceeded to head to the microwave. I knew they didn't want me there. I could feel their eyeballs upon